Have you ever wondered how high-ticket affiliate marketing works? Well, you're not alone. Today, we will demystify this concept for you. High-ticket affiliate marketing is an intriguing and potentially profitable avenue in the realm of affiliate marketing. It's quite different from regular affiliate marketing. Instead of promoting low-cost products for small commissions, high-ticket affiliate marketing focuses on marketing expensive products or services. The products or services could range from luxury items, high-end software, professional services, to exclusive memberships. Because these products are costly, the commissions for each sale can be significantly higher. Imagine earning a sizable chunk of cash from just a single sale. That's the allure of high-ticket affiliate marketing. But like any business venture, it comes with its unique set of challenges. So, high-ticket affiliate marketing can be a lucrative opportunity, but it's not without its challenges. Let's delve deeper. Scene script. High-ticket affiliate marketing can be very profitable. But why is that so? Well, the first reason is the higher commissions. Unlike low-ticket items where you may earn just a few dollars for each sale, high-ticket items can earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per sale. Imagine earning $1,000 from just one sale. Sounds tempting, right? Secondly, with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you don't need to sell a ton of products to make a good income. You can make substantial earnings by selling just a few high-ticket items. This can be a game changer, especially for those who are new to the affiliate marketing world. And finally, high-ticket affiliate marketing can provide a potential source of passive income. Once you've established a solid customer base and trustworthy reputation, these high-ticket sales can come in regularly, without much additional work. Impressive, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's look at the other side of the coin. While high-ticket affiliate marketing can be profitable, it also comes with a set of challenges. One of the most significant drawbacks is the need for a larger audience. It's a numbers game. The more people you reach, the higher your chances of making a sale. But attracting a large audience isn't a walk in the park. It requires strategic planning, consistent content creation, and understanding your audience's needs. Another hurdle is the necessity of building trust with your audience. High-ticket items are a significant investment for buyers, and they need to trust the person recommending these products. This means you need to demonstrate expertise and credibility, which can take time and effort. Lastly, there's the increased competition. High-ticket affiliate marketing is a lucrative field, and many marketers are vying for a piece of the pie. This could mean more work on your end to stand out from the crowd. As you can see, high-ticket affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort and dedication. So, we have covered a lot of ground today about high-ticket affiliate marketing. We've broken down the concept, making the complex simple. We've highlighted the profitability of this venture, showing how it can rake in more profits with fewer sales compared to traditional affiliate marketing. We've also underlined the fact that high-ticket items mean bigger commissions, which translates to a higher earning potential. However, we also explored the other side of the coin, the challenges. We discussed how selling high-ticket items can be demanding, requiring more time, effort, and a strategic approach. We emphasized the need for a high level of trust and credibility, and the importance of a strong, convincing sales pitch. High-ticket affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture, but it's important to understand the effort required. It's not for everyone, but for those willing to put in the work, the rewards can be substantial. Visit www.affiliateazone.pro to check out high-ticket affiliate marketing programs. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.